My dear student, I am M. Ishaq Ali, Assistant Teacher English, Momin Nagar Secondary School, Jashore. Welcome to my English first paper, class 8. Let's enjoy a video. What have you seen in the video? This is a picture. Nokshikantha. Today's our topic is Nokshikanthar Mat or Nokshikantha. Learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to ask answering questions. Ask and answer questions. Tell about Nokshikantha. Infer meaning from context. Write a paragraph. Fill in the blanks. Make a questions. Do you understand this? After finishing this lesson, what we know or see? Before text reading, pair work. Look at the picture and the questions, then ask and answer the questions with your partner. What do you see in the picture? You can talk about yourself or your friend. You and he or you and she is a partner, and you can a role play. 2. What is it called? 3. Have you seen it before? Where? 4. What do we do with it? Text reading. Individually, you read yourself very silently and try to understand the meaning of the word or sentence or full passage. The learners will be asked to read the text to know about Nokshikantha. The teacher will monitor keeping interaction with them. After they will have finished reading, he or she will facilitate them to explain the text and will assess them through continuous process using her own ways. Nokshi, this is a noun. Beautification, color, decoration, embellishment, ornamentation. The woman is making ornamentation oblique Nokshi on the kantha. Very expensive things. Nokshikantha, noun. The word kantha has no desired etymology. The extent of origin of the word kantha is not accurately known, but it probably had a predecessor in kantha or katha. Okay. Field. According to Niyaz Javan, the word kantha originated from the Sanskrit word kanta. Sanskrit, you can say. Nokshikantha. This is a picture. Nokshikantha. My dear SS, Nokshikanthar Mat. This is a drama, artistic adjective, performed, made or arranged decoratively and tastefully, stylish, embroidered, a quilt, containing embroider. coiled, a thick warm cover a bed consisting of a soft filling sewn between two layers of materials, usually with criss-cross seams. A bed spread or counterpane, a coverlet for a bed made of two layers of fabric with some soft substance as wool or down between them and stitched in patterns or tufted through all. Traditional is old. Nakshikanta is a traditional craft. Design, pattern, handicraft shops, arts and craft store. Commercially, when you going on a selling or buying, you can use this for the purpose of business. Write a paragraph about how to Nakshi Kanta is made. Start like this: old or new, cloth and colored thread is needed to make a Nakshi Kanta. First, the cloth is folded. Then, do you like a Nakshi Kanta or an ordinary Kanta? Why? Complete the sentence with the given clues. Such and such, there are 6 questions. You fill in the gaps by the word in the box. Working groups make 5 questions for the completed statements in E. Above one is done for you. Such and such, there are sub questions. Check your answer. There are 6 questions. Homework. My dear SS, open your khata and write down some clue. Write the summary of the passage text in 30 words of total words of it. Thank you so much. No more today. See you again.